Here is my workspace. There is flip face Toby. Here is my desk lamp. Let me show you. I'm going to turn it off, on, off, on. Now, the reason of this clip is to show you this desk lamp. Check the link in the description, and it's very easy to use a desk lamp. I'm going to crank up the brightness. I'm in the dimmer. Look how bright it is. Cool. Also, you can turn off one or two lights. I'm gonna swap this, redirect the light upwards, and then I'm gonna turn on the one on the bottom. See that? Nice. We can also change the color of these lights, and it's very good for my desk. Now we can read and work on this nice environment. Swivels up and down. Cool. Check the link in the description.